Hello everybody, my name is Matthew, and welcome to Deadbolt. Now, I've played this before. I'm pretty sure I've actually beaten the game before. So, I at least understand what I'm doing. Another night. Indeed it is. So, I kinda understand how to... Pretty much all you do is just kill. It's rather simple. It is not that hard to actually just straight up just shoot someone. I mean, considering the fact of kind of how easy it is just to go around to do this. You can kind of just go. Oop. He's gonna come up. Shoot. I forget. There we are. And there we are. Already beaten. Yeah, I didn't have the best accuracy there. Oh, you're finally back. Oh, I was pressing the wrong keys. Oopsie. This is a rather simple game. Mission: the flames roar to life and the voice speaks. Another life will return. Mission: my candle's tummy hailed undead forms and colossal spines glowing and knock and screech from the jars. Honestly, you could read like intel and things like that. It's not too important. I never read any of it. You go around and murder. It's pretty much what you do in this game. Now, am I very good at this game? No. I do understand though, you don't really want them to see you. You want this man to get as close as possible so you can just easily... I still messed up the blasting his brains out part. Yeah, sometimes I still mess up that part as well. There we are. Yeah, just basically keep shooting. It's rather simple. I mean, it's not like you're trying to like go around, you know, deforming an empire or something. You're just trying to kill. I died once there though, so maybe I'm not as good at this game as I thought I was, but you know, never really does too much. Mission, orders, intel, doesn't really matter. You just head straight back into another mission to shoot and, you know, kill. I guess technically you don't just look. I was luckily able to read that before I skipped it. Oopsie. These ones are the easiest to kill in melee. Because you can legit just go straight up to them and hammer a couple times. You know, it's a bit of a hammer time. This one you can't really sneak up on, so you just gotta kill them that way. There we are. Now we take a sawed-off shotgun instead. And now we just gotta kill all undead. Which wasn't that hard considering the fact that we have a sawed-off shotgun. I mean, I'm pressing all the wrong buttons here. I mean, considering the fact that like sawed-off shotguns, they're kind of very effective up close. I mean, dude doesn't really have a back anymore. And we leave as if we were never there. Actually, that's better accuracy than I thought I would have. Go to docks. Pretty sure, if I remember correctly, this man just gives us new weapons. Which can be useful. I mean, and give us a blunderbuss. I'm gonna take that knife though. Death and taxes, yeah. Nothing is more certain than death and taxes. Alrighty. And this is kind of where customization comes in. Right, we have a revolver. Now we have a knife, so we bring those to like missions now. Oh, this is like the one I hated absolute. Because this one, you can get a pretty fast kill there. Yeah, see. It's difficult because you actually have to get some kills off early on. Okay. There we are. Now we can do that. Fail that kill. Grab this man's shotgun. Go get the kill in the bathroom. And chuck the knife at the dude. And here. Because once he gets here, you can just straight up shoot him like that. Turn this off. This man's brain out. And this one's brain out. For a quick kill there. Grab this. I actually do not have any of these levels memorized. It looks like I know what I'm doing. In reality, I do not. You know, cassette tapes are somewhat important. I haven't figured out what they do, but you know, there's an achievement for them, so they have to be somewhat important. I shouldn't have done that. I did that incorrectly. We gotta use our knife here. We didn't realize this would happen. Just basically get them to come in here. If we could actually, you know. Close. Once we do that, we can also use this one's head off and this one's head off. And that we cleared this area, so we can go quickly grab this. That done, we could burn these two, go all the way around so we can quickly grab some kills. We have the sonic shotgun, so we can easily go ahead and get that kill off, but at the same time, that one's just easy. Here. Yeah, this man's not even having fun. With all that dead. Honestly, I just prefer, you know, blowing all the brains out and leaving. I know I'm very professional. I think we'll have time for about one more, but at the same time, we have two things we gotta do. First, I want to see about getting the a different one, blunderbuss. Simply put, it is good to have it. It's a decent damage weapon. You know, have cassette player. I'm not reading that yet. If y'all want me to, I could always do another playthrough on this, which is not too bad. The only reason I also say we probably don't have time for one more is because I'm pretty sure this is the only one that I hate. Yeah. It's easy, but there's so many points in which you can mistime things. This is also why I like the blunderbuss instead, because there isn't really... There we are. This gives us the ability to just quickly go around. And once they come down here, we just pretty much Tommy gun their heads. Oh, check doors. Open, more stuff, paper. There we are. It saves us a little time, but it's still time. And that level. Honestly, not the best level, especially because it gives you very little, but hey. As always, you know, you can't really control. You can also just sit, which I like because it makes it very atmospheric. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe maybe. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.